So you want to install Blender to take advantage of its amazing capabilities. Here is how you can do that in just few minutes. You go to your browser and you search for blender.org. and you click enter. Then you go here, you scroll down a little bit and you will find the button download, or you can click here at the top and download as well. And this website will identify automatically which operating system you are using. And in my case, you can see that I'm using macOS Apple Silicon version. You choose whichever version. If it doesn't match, then you can choose it from here, from this drop-down menu. Okay, so in my case, I just have to click on this. I'm waiting for a little bit. We can see here under downloads is downloading. As you already might know, Blender, it's a free open source project. So of course, if you want and you can afford to support it, it's very nice to give back and to support this amazing project. Now this is downloaded and now I will click on this file. And on Mac, I have to drag and drop it here. On Windows, you just click on next, 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 as usually. Like, there is nothing special about installing Blender compared to other normal Windows tools, okay? So you don't have to do anything special. Just click next, next, next. Now I will run Blender. I get prompt to verify this. I will click OK, and in few seconds, we should have it on our desktops. And there we go. Here is our Blender. That's it. And now you can just start do all that cool stuff you know how to do.